Monocopter. Scientists in Singapore have developed a unique drone called the Monocopter. This compact drone features a single propeller located at the edge and can fold up, reducing its size by 69% to fit comfortably in the palm of your hand. Its lightweight body is constructed from wood coated with plastic, while the battery is mounted on the opposite end. The Monocopter achieves flight by spinning its propeller, which causes the wing to rotate in a full circle. Aerodynamic forces lift the body, allowing it to fly smoothly. Even in the event of a power failure, it lands gently without damage. Although the camera's image might blur during flight, future plans include equipping the Monocopter with GPS and sensors for climate monitoring, aiding in early detection of weather changes and forest fires. SEDA International offers an efficient all-in-one solution for ELV, end-of-life vehicle, processing, completing drainage and dismantling tasks in just 3 hours. Their tilt-lift technology enhances work ergonomics, enabling a single worker to effectively manage vehicle depollution. Additionally, SEDA's car flattener rapidly compacts vehicles for transport, improving efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. Food delivery is set to be revolutionized with drones. Companies like Serve Robotics and Wing are creating a robotic system capable of delivering meals, such as burgers and fries, within a 6-mile radius. Here's how it works. An employee loads the order into a robotic system that autonomously moves the package to an auto-loading station. A drone then flies in, lowers a cable, hooks the package, and flies off along its preset route, managed entirely by AI. This system promises delivery within 30 minutes while avoiding traffic congestion. The service will launch in Los Angeles, starting with Shake Shack restaurants. The USB 5 HIVE carrier simplifies honey harvesting, hive management, and transportation of beehives. Its modular crane design allows for add-ons like leveling and arm brake modules. The hydraulic leveling system ensures stability by maintaining balanced load handling. The arm brake system locks the clamp in place, assisting with anti-swarming maintenance. Durable disc friction brakes permit manual arm rotation without the need to release the brake, enhancing functionality. Japanese scientists have revolutionized robotic arm movement with a new joint design based on spherical gears. Unlike traditional designs requiring bulky setups and 3 actuators, this joint enables 360 degrees rotation in any direction. It operates through 2 side roller gears that move back and forth along a longitudinal axis, offering exceptional precision. Applications for this invention are vast, from integration into surgical robots for minimally invasive procedures to dental robots for precise cleaning. It could also be used in rover arms for Mars habitat construction or spacecraft arms for multifunctional tasks like repairing space stations. ROELLI dump truck trailer is designed for flexibility and highway use, with a payload capacity of 2.2 tons. It efficiently handles transport tasks involving troughs, platforms, and pallets, all without requiring forklifts or cranes. This trailer provides a cost-effective and versatile solution for various road transport needs. Once users experience its features, they quickly recognize the benefits of its modular design for diverse applications. Swiss engineers have developed a revolutionary construction method that eliminates the need for cement, using 3D printing with materials like clay, silt, or soil. A robot dispenses these materials at speeds of up to 33 feet per second. The high-impact application ensures each layer adheres to the previous one without the need for extensive adhesives or curing. The machine rapidly creates columns, walls, and window openings, enabling the construction of single or double-story buildings. This method reduces costs significantly by using locally available soil and eliminating cement, making construction faster and more sustainable. The LARRINGTON Chaser trailer offers innovative crop handling capabilities while ensuring smooth and gentle operations. With features like rear cameras, a control box, and sensors, it enhances safety and productivity. Its unique design minimizes soil transfer, aligning with clean road regulations for sustainable farming practices. Scientists from the University of Massachusetts have developed a 3D printer capable of creating glass bricks. These transparent and strong bricks connect using a locking mechanism, much like Lego blocks. Made by extruding liquid glass into an 8-shaped form, the bricks harden to become highly durable, withstanding pressures comparable to concrete. An added advantage is their recyclability. Glass can be melted down and reshaped. A real-world example of this innovation is a wall built near the university campus, showcasing the technology's potential in modern architecture. The TOWTRACK is a compact, tracked tow truck with a 2.2-ton capacity, designed to provide stability on uneven terrains. Its size allows it to be transported on a truck alongside the load. Remote-controlled operation enhances safety by enabling vehicle lifting without close proximity, making it an ideal choice for unique recovery operations. While Usain Bolt may hold the title of the fastest human, the race for the fastest robot brings us AIRIS, a bipedal robot designed to mimic human running. With a forward-leaning posture for stability, AIRIS can overcome obstacles up to 10% of its leg height and maintain balance even when prodded. Though its running style appears humorous, it showcases exceptional stability and agility, marking a step forward in robotic locomotion. However, it's still far from matching an Olympic sprinter's speed. The Titan hydraulic car lift is a heavy-duty, customizable solution for moving vehicles between levels. With a lifting capacity of up to 20 tons and a maximum height of 14 meters, it combines stability, smooth operation, and minimal platform thickness. Unlike traditional lifts, Titan doesn't require a technical pit, making it easy to install. Its adjustable platform dimensions are tailored to meet specific customer requirements, ensuring versatility for various applications. A four-legged robot developed by the Pentagon has surpassed Usain Bolt's record, reaching a speed of 28.3 miles per hour on a treadmill compared to the Olympic record of 27.78 miles per hour. This headless robot mimics the movement of a cheetah, the fastest land animal, with synchronized limb motion and a flexible back for speed and agility. Powered by hydraulics and initially intended for military applications, the robot also has potential uses in civilian sectors like agriculture, herding, and search operations. The wing lift simplifies container handling with its versatile design, compatible with carriers worldwide. It attaches to cargo containers and equipment using DN 1161 ISO corners, making it highly adaptable. Compact and cost-efficient, this patented solution operates independently, eliminating the need for cranes or forklifts. Its proven reliability makes it a trusted tool in global logistics and transport. The Raptor robot, inspired by the running mechanics of dinosaurs, holds the record as the fastest bipedal robot, achieving a top speed of 28.5 miles per hour. Constructed with lightweight carbon fiber and powered by two motors, one for each leg, the Raptor features a mechanical Achilles tendon that absorbs shocks and improves push-off efficiency. A counterweight, resembling a tail, helps the robot maintain balance at high speeds, showcasing remarkable stability and agility. The Easy AC Lift is a practical tool designed for lifting heavy objects onto roofs using an extension ladder and a drill. This lightweight, cost-effective solution eliminates the need for cranes, making it ideal for contractors in HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and roofing industries. Its efficiency and ease of use save time and resources during installations. A groundbreaking hybrid car with a flying module stored in the trunk has moved from concept to reality. Recently unveiled in Guangzhou, the prototype successfully completed its first test flights. Measuring 18 by 6.5 feet, it fits easily into a parking space. During testing, the flying module performed vertical takeoffs, circular flights, and precise landings. This innovation promises to combine the convenience of driving with the thrill of flying, allowing users to explore remote areas and enjoy scenic aerial views. The Wallina 6614 AgriVac is a mid-range portable unit designed for efficient bulk material transfer. Powered by a PTO connection to a tractor, it operates hydraulically with a smaller rhino liner and manual boom rotation. Known for its reliability, this AgriVac transfers bulk materials at speeds ranging from 2,800 to 4,000 bushels per hour, making it an ideal choice for agricultural operations requiring fast and effective handling. Cork, used to produce 22 million wine bottle stoppers globally each day, comes from the bark of cork oak trees. These trees are primarily found in Spain, Portugal, and California. The bark is harvested during its rapid growth phase in spring and summer, a process that begins only when the tree is about 40 years old. After harvesting, the bark regenerates over 9 years, enabling trees to produce for 150 to 200 years. The process is entirely manual and highly skilled, requiring precise moisture measurements, shallow cuts with electric saws, and careful peeling with specialized axes to avoid harming the tree. Each tree is marked with the year of its last harvest, ensuring sustainable practices. Cork forests are legally protected, with Portugal's regulations safeguarding them for over 800 years. Despite advances in technology, no mechanized method for cork harvesting has been developed. The Shuan F3203PX takeaway forklift is a versatile tool for challenging construction sites. With a 24.5 horsepower engine, a lifting height of 3.1 meters, and a load capacity of 2 tons, it is designed for optimal maneuverability and safety. It features hydraulic front support, all-wheel drive, and a rear-mounted design on trucks, ensuring fuel efficiency and ease of transport. Operating at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour, the F3203PX provides a reliable and flexible solution for unloading materials. The V2 series from Tommy Gate offers expansive platform space with efficient storage for vans. It includes hands-free platform operation, a built-in cart retention ramp, and a 500 kilograms lifting capacity. The flat-loading design ensures that wheel-based cargo stays secure, while the retention ramp minimizes load angles. Key features include auto open/close, dual-function control, and an aluminum tread plate bridge. Scientists have harnessed the color-changing properties of squid skin to create a method of encoding images without electronics. This flexible screen is made of tiny magnetic particles and can store visual symbols. These symbols are controlled through a magnetic field with programmable keys. When activated by a specific field, the particles align to form an image. Without the magnetic influence, they mix freely, appearing as simple grains. This device can display dynamic messages, like scrolling text, and will only respond to a designated magnetic field. This allows for secure encoding of barcodes or symbols, like on clothing, that can only be read by a special device, all without using electronics.